Have a seat, please. Okay. Richard,
Yes.
You met each other through the internet
Yeah,
in a
Facebook.
chat room.
Facebook.
What happened? You were chatting with her, and did you just fall in love? Was it a slow process?
I think we actually fell in love over the chat. It's just we had understandings. We had to know each other better first. A couple of years of just chatting and talking, sometimes up to 6 or 8 hours a night.
6 to 8 hours. So from the beginning, was she honest with you that she's a transsexual?
Oh, honesty is the only way. It's that and communication. That's what makes a relationship work.
How did your family react to this relationship?
Well, what's left of my family is my father's passed. My mother's still alive, God bless her soul. She's 91. But she's not fully aware of everything that's going on. And then I have my sister, who she's like me. She, doesn't matter. Justine is just a beautiful young lady.
Okay, from falling in love to coming to the decision to ask her hand in marriage, how did that come about?
We talked and dated, I guess, if you will, and we just felt the time was right. I asked her hand in marriage, and she accepted.
Ikaw nga, Justin, magkwento. How did he propose?
Simple lang yung pagpapropose niya. Nakahiga lang kami sa bed, tapos nanonood kami ng TV. Tapos sabi niya, kung aalokin kita ng kasal, oo, kakaya. Sabi ko, try mo muna. Malay mo, di ba? Tapos, na pala, hawak niya na pala yung singsing. Pinakatingin sa akin. Sabi ko, ang unang pumasok sa isip ko, sayang yung pera. Pero, yun nga, parang medyo naiyak ako ng konti kasi inalok niya ako ng kasal, di ba? Parang ang hirap makahanap ng taong mahal mo, tapos aalokin ka ng kasal, mahal ka rin. Kaya,
With all my heart.
Sigurado kami supportive sa akin kasi alam naman niya yung mga nagiging desisyon ko, gusto ko talaga at alam niya na doon ako magiging masaya. So, sa kanya, parang
Right now, say to them, Richard?
For those cynics that are out there, they probably need to get to know other people and get a little more variety in their life. And understand that we're all human. We're all here for the same reason. And just, let's get along.
We're gonna get back to you, but right now, Papa Jack.
Kinikilig ako, Mama. Si Ana, iba naging dahilan niya. Sobrang pagmamahal sa isang Hapon. Nag-decide siya na magpa-transform, maging transwoman. Bakit?
Married na kami ng 1 year, I decide na magpa-transsexual kasi parang hindi buo yung pagkatao ko na nasa tabi ko yung mahal ko pero nasa katauhan ako ng like a man. Have you know what I mean. That's why I decide na magpa-transsexual is because I love my husband very much.
Okay, one last question. Masaya ka ba sa ginawa mong pagpapa-transform?
Yes, of course. Kasi hindi ko naman gagawin to na hindi ko nararamdaman sa sarili ko yung...
Alright. Mama, reaction mo dyan.
Bang, talagang yung mga kasama natin ngayon, ang hilig sa foreigners, ha? At alam mo, bakit nga ba hindi Pinoy?
Ang Pilipino, masarap magmahal. Naranasan ko na yun. Kaya lang, ang sa akin kasi gusto ko, yung pag kinasal ako, yung legal. Gusto ko yung talagang masasabi kong kinasal ako. Ganon. Yung security dun sa pagpapakasal mo, makukuha ko. At saka talagang ganito, hindi ako pinalad sa Pinoy, minahal naman niya ako, tinanggap niya ako ng ganito. So, ba't pa ako maghahanap ng Pilipino? Andiyan na siya.
Aalamin natin kung saan, kailan, anong isusot niya. Sa pagbabalik ng Starbucks!
Dito, kasali ka!
The Sunsilk experts are looking